Let's learn how to clone and sync a work item across two separate Jira instances. To start connecting two Jira instances together, you need to install Elements Copy and Sync in both instances. Go to your source instance, the one you want to copy issues from, and go to the Connections tab. Click on Add Remote Instance. Copy-paste here the link of the target instance that you want to connect. In your source instance, you can see that the connection request has been sent. Now go to your target instance and click on Connections. You can now review the request of connection that you received. Accept the request. Great! In a few minutes only you managed to connect your instances together. Now go back to your source instance and create a new recipe. Select the Copy and Synchronize Jira Issues recipe. Now selects the right target instance. Let's configure this recipe together. Our objective here is to clone and sync issues from a JSM to a Jira instance. Go to the Source tab and select the source project. You can select the issue type that should be available for cloning or leave it blank if you don't want to set any restriction. Try the configuration tester to make sure he finds the right issues in your source project. Go to the Target tab. Select the target project that will receive the cloned issue. Go to Content to define which field should be cloned and synced. Let's synchronize some fields between the source and the target issues. Here we are synchronizing the summary. The description will also be synced. You can define the direction of the synchronization. Here we are setting a bidirectional sync. We also want the comments to be cloned and synced. As well as the attachments. In the Workflows tab, you can synchronize the two instance workflows together. Once you inserted your two workflows, click on Add Mapping. This is where you can map statuses between your two instances. Last part is about configuring the triggers, meaning how your recipe will be executed. In this use case, we want the recipe to be triggered directly from the issue. Now that everything is set, you can activate the recipe. Let's see how it works in practice. In JSM, a customer raises a request on the portal. The customer fills in the summary and description. The request has been submitted. The request appears in the issue queue in JSM. The support agent can click directly on the issue menu. He has a direct access to Elements Copy and Sync. He can trigger the recipe that has been created minutes ago. He is only asked to select the target issue type. The cloned issue has correctly been created in the target Jira instance, and both of them are linked together. In the logs of the target instance, you can have an overview of what's happening in the app.